got afters on. And the first beer of the trip.
Caché, tirez sur la partie supérieure de la boucle.
The good old get here self-adhesive to expose. Remove to here and get here. This is our loft in Mallorca. TV, couch, stairway up to the loft. There's the kitchen, little espresso. There's the table, AC unit, bathroom, upstairs. There's the bedroom, the loft. Look at how cool the light is. Hi, Joseph. We have the desk area with the shutters closed. There's the one wardrobe, coolest little side table ever. Washroom, hi. Shower. I have no idea what this means. Campesina chips, but they're good. Joseph, the Tempranillo wine that costs €2. Is it good? I think it's brand.
Good to me.
Pitted dates, the remains of our Iberico ham. It used to be bread. Cheers! Joseph enjoying our best scallops of the day.
That was good. Wow.
It's heaven. It's our first big drink of the trip.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Have we had it?
You can feel the smell, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow.
This is the traditional food in Spain, yeah?
So good.
That's fun.
Thank you. Through the Santa Catalina area of Palma. And it's Sunday, so everyone's sleeping. I love these trees. It's like a little archway of purple trees. It's still summer here in October. Palma's shopping street. So cute. We are in downtown Palma, and there's this beautiful cathedral. Coffee o'clock. Sunset in Palma at the port. Those who are dreaming about the aquarium that we are not going to. This is the epic fountain of Mallorca. Don't make a special trip for it, folks. We're at the fortress, walking along these like nice little birds perched up at the top. Going through our fortress. This is our Airbnb, if anyone's wondering. We're staying in.
Yeah, because we went upstairs, like took a photo of the
Sunset. This is so beautiful with the nice sunset light. Love it. We're currently just doing a little bit of sightseeing in the island of Mallorca, Palma city to be exact. My highlight of the trip so far, I think, was having mass in this beautiful cathedral that's behind us.
Pretty cool.
What was your highlight so far?
Putting me on the spot here. Wait, what did I say yesterday I liked?
Scallops.
Oh yeah, we had some really good scallops.
Beautiful lunch after the cathedral. That was a prize-winning afternoon, if I say so myself. What was that restaurant called? La Palma?
Paloma.
Paloma. Oh yeah, we're in La Palma. Paloma restaurant. 10 stars out of 10 stars. Just visited Rialto Living and bought some very cute glasses. This store is like anthropology meets restoration hardware meets every cute accessory store in the world. I'm in Pico right now. It's probably one of my favorite makeup stores. These are amazing and I'm getting more. We're leaving Mallorca.
Bye.
To go to satisfied this guy's
Okay,
big
You want to try the
McAppetite.
McChurros.
I actually am feeling a McDonald's coffee right now. They're delicious around the globe. Are they $1 here? Or maybe they're like 50 euro cents. That'd be good. Having the McDonald's espresso, cappuccino, McChicken Joe,
The croqueta.
croquetas, and chicken bites, or like little popcorn chicken. So the croqueta on the inside is like a cheesy potato with like ham. It's got McBites over here. I feel like they've been frozen for a few centuries and then reheated, but they're okay. It's like little chicken bites. Also eating it with ketchup because mayonnaise was extra. Mange bien.